not a villain, not a joy, it's killing. It's a right that you